In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an Outlook error. Outlook errors can pop up for a few simple reasons: an unstable internet connection, the app not closing properly, or software that needs an update. We'll go through a clean, safe sequence to get you back to your inbox quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, confirm you're connected to the right network and that the signal is strong. If you use Ethernet, check the cable is secure. Try loading a couple of websites or refreshing another cloud app. If everything else is working, go back to Outlook and restart it. Fully close the app, wait a few seconds, then open it again. A quick restart often clears a minor sync or sign-in hiccup. If that doesn't do the trick, close Outlook and restart your laptop or PC next. A full reboot clears temporary background processes that can interfere with Outlook. Once your computer starts back up, open Outlook again and see if the error has resolved. Next, it's a good idea to update Outlook to the latest version and make sure Windows is fully updated as well. Updates frequently include fixes for crashes, sign-in issues, and connection problems. In Outlook, check for updates in the app's account or update settings and apply anything pending. Then, in Windows settings, check for system updates, install them, and allow the device to restart if prompted. After everything is up to date, open Outlook and test again. If you still see the error, you may choose to create a new Outlook account as a quick way to rule out profile issues. Start by logging out of your current Outlook account. On the sign-in screen, select Create One. If you're offered options, click Sign In with a different account so you can start fresh. Enter a new email and a strong password to create the new Outlook account and complete the on-screen prompts. When you sign in with this new account, check whether Outlook behaves normally. If it does, that tells you the original account or profile may need attention later. That's it. Simple steps in order to fix common Outlook errors. Verify your connection, restart the app, reboot your computer, update Outlook and Windows, and if needed, test with a new account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, clear fixes.